Good afternoon, everyone. In today's class, we are here to discuss on a case study on the topic ground improvement of black cotton soil. So we have been seeing various methods of ground improvement in previous classes. In this class, we will be studying the characteristics of black cotton soil and also various methods to improve the black cotton soil. So black cotton soil is nothing but clay soil which contains high amount of compressibility. Okay. Highly compressible clay minerals such as morillonite is present in black cotton soil. There are different clay minerals present in black cotton soil. They are illite, kaolinite and morillonite. Out of which a clay soil which contains high amount of morillonite mineral is said to be highly compressible. So that comes under highly collapsible or black cotton soil. So in today's class we are going to deal with the method of improving the black cotton soil. Over to Ms. Lalita Varshini to throw more light on this topic and also to discuss about the case study. Now we call upon Lalita Varshini.
Good afternoon everyone, myself Lalita Varshini. Black cotton soil, introduction. Black cotton soil is also known as regular soil. It is primarily found in Deccan Plateau of India and it is recognized for its high clay content and expansive nature. The soil is partially problematic for construction due to the signification of six-well behaviors and which leads to significant volume change when it undergoes moisture variation. This can cause a different settlement in structure, leading to the potential damage over time. To mitigate endless issues, ground improvement techniques are often necessary to ensure the stability and durability in construction projects. This case study explores the methods and outcomes of improvement of black soil for a construction project in India. Project background. Location Deccan Plateau, India. Soil type black cotton soil. Project and residential complex constructions. Challenges: high plastics and swelling. Characteristics of a soil. Significations: various in moisture content. Differential settlement of foundations. Increased risk of cracks in buildings due to the volume change in the soil. Next slide. Soil properties. Before starting a ground improvement process, the soil was thoroughly analyzed. The key properties of black cotton soil were noted as follows. The plastics index 35 to 40% of integrating high expansive. Liquid limited 50 to 55%. Sinkage limited 15 to 18%. Grain site distribution predominantly a fine grained soil with 70 clay content. A low shear strength making it susceptible to deforming under load. This property is pointed out key for effective ground improvement to reduce the risk of structural instabilities. Ground improvement technique used in aligned stabilization. Aligned stabilization was a primary technique used for improving the strength and stability of black cotton soil. A light reacts with the clay minerals of the soil, resulting in decreasing in plasticity and an increase in strength. Process line was mixed with the soil in various proportions: 3%, 5%, and 7% by a weight. The soil lime mixture was
our mentees Lalita Vashini briefly discussed about the case study on improvement of black cotton soils. Hope this technique might be useful to everyone. And I request everyone to follow the above techniques in your research projects and also in many projects, etc. So that